The Data Navigator. Once you've run a search on the followthemoney.org website, you'll end up at a screen that looks like this. In this case, we've run a search for contributions to all candidates and committees in the state level in Alaska in 2016. In this Q&A box, we see that the answer shows 48,827 contributions for $8.5 million. We also see those figures below in this table. To see this data set in more detail, use these checkboxes. For example, if we'd like to look at the contributors in this data set, within the Contributors Info line, we can select the Contributor option. This table now shows us each contributor, whether they're an individual or non-individual, the number of contributions, and the total dollar amount from that contributor within this data set. We can add other information about this contributor as well, such as their economic classification. If we would like to see who is receiving money, we can also create a display for that. Using this plus sign here, we can create another subtab for this data set. This gives us the same query, but an opportunity to create a new display. For example, if I'd like to see how much money candidates are raising in this data set, I can do that by selecting this candidate option. I've received a pop-up notifying me that my display may not total the same dollar amount as my search query, because my query looks for contributions to candidates and party committees and ballot measure committees, whereas I am about to display only candidates. We can also display every single transaction. On this website, the term record is going to refer to transaction. So in this Contributors Info line, the record option will give us the transaction level data. Note that the transaction level data may take a few minutes to load, depending on the size of your query. In this case, we will be showing 48,827 lines, but through the magic of recording, this has loaded almost instantly. There are many other options to display here. Have fun!